Hi there, and welcome to this new BitDiver tutorial. In this short video, we'll learn how to read the correlation matrix, a tool that helps you understand how the cryptocurrencies in your portfolio move in relation to each other. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, this page will help you see how your assets are connected. The correlation index is a number that measures the relationship between two cryptocurrencies. In simple words, it shows how similar their price movements are. The index goes from -1 to +1. +1 means a perfect positive correlation. The two cryptos always move in the same direction. 0 means no correlation, they move independently. -1 means a perfect negative correlation. When one goes up, the other goes down. Knowing how correlated your assets are helps you manage risk and diversify your portfolio more wisely. For example, if your portfolio includes assets that move in opposite directions, your total gains might cancel out. When one token rises, the other falls. But if all your cryptos move together, you risk larger losses when the market drops. The best approach is to include assets that are not too correlated. This helps spread the risk and keeps your returns more stable, even in volatile markets. The correlation matrix compares each pair of cryptos in your portfolio and shows a number for each relationship. Values close to 1 mean the two assets move together. Values near 0 mean they move independently. Negative values mean they move in opposite directions. Thanks to this, you can quickly see which cryptocurrencies behave similarly and which follow their own path. In short, the correlation matrix gives you a clear view of the links between the assets in your portfolio, how diversified your investments really are, and any hidden risks caused by similar market behavior. Use this information to fine-tune your portfolio and make smarter investment decisions. That's it for this tutorial. Keep exploring the other features available on BitDiver. There's a lot more to discover. And remember, if you need help, you can always contact BitDiver support through the help section in the top menu. See you soon, and happy analyzing.